Hi everyone, it's Regis here with Silent Motion Yoga. This is the construction phase of our yoga center. You can see from here the roof and the glass that's on the top there, and the copper roof, and the holes in the walls and everything. Here's our house right next to it. The garden is over here. There's our sunflowers that are just kind of going out now. At one point they were really gigantic. As you can see from the garden, you can see the center quite nicely. And some of these trees will be taken out of here or thinned out, or their branches will be cut a little bit so that we can see a little bit more of the greenery that's out here. So just to give you kind of a tour of the space, here's an old oak tree. It was cut down years and years ago, but it still sort of lives on through its root system. So there's a way to see the whole property. Thanks.